Good morning, my dear friends, pupils of the 8th form. Today we have an unusual lesson. The topic of our lesson is United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland, geographical position and climate. At the end of the lesson, you will revise the geographical names, be able to speak about Great Britain climate and weather, will be able to make a fact file about the country. You know, why do we learn English? We have discussed it many times. But what for do we learn geographical position and climate of United Kingdom? And my answers: for future travelings, to broaden our knowledge about this country. If you want to learn a language, you should learn everything about the country, geographical position, climate, culture, tradition, and so on. Зараз ми з вами переглянемо невеличке відео навчальне. Про факти Великобританії. Будь ласка, будьте уважні, слухайте текст, потім ми дамо відповіді на запитання.
Hello everyone, today we will talk about Britain or the UK. I hope you know what this abbreviation stands for. Well, the full name of the state is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. As the name suggests, the country consists of a few parts. To be exact, it is a union of 4 countries: England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Where is the UK located? It is located in the northwestern Europe. It occupies Great Britain, the biggest British Isle, a part of Ireland, Northern Ireland, and many smaller islands. As mentioned earlier, the UK comprises 4 countries, or in other words, nations. The first of these is England. England is often confused with the UK as a whole, because it is the largest and most populous of the nations. Remember, England is a country. The UK is a union of 4 countries. To the north of England is Scotland. To the west is Wales. And Northern Ireland is in the north of Ireland. Note that Northern Ireland is a part of the UK, but the rest part of the Isle is the Republic of Ireland, which is a separate country from the UK. Speaking about the geographical position, we should mention the seas which surround the isles. The UK is surrounded by the Atlantic Ocean in the northwest and west, by the North Sea in the east, and by the English Channel in the south. The North Sea and the English Channel separate Great Britain from continental Europe. The Celtic Sea is to its southwest. The Irish Sea lies between Great Britain and Ireland. Even though Great Britain is an isle, it is connected to continental Europe by the Channel Tunnel, which is about 38 kilometers underwater. So, from London, trains go through the Channel to Paris in France and Brussels in Belgium. Who lives in the UK? Over 66 million people live there. They are British. But while you can call them all British, it's not recommended, as the 4 countries generally don't like each other. People living in England usually say, "We are English," or "We are British." If a person lives in Wales, he says, "I'm Welsh." If he lives in Scotland, he says, I'm Scottish. And if you travel in Northern Ireland, you will speak to the Northern Irish. Each country has its own system of administration, but the head of the UK is a monarch. To date, the year of 2018, Elizabeth II is the Queen of the state. The image of the Queen's head can be found on banknotes, coins and stamps. The royal family is a traditional symbol of the kingdom. The Union Jack is another symbol of the UK. Do you know what it is? It is the national flag of the United Kingdom. The Union Jack includes some elements of three flags: the flags of England and Scotland, and the old flag of Ireland. Each country has its own flag as well as the Union Jack. Finally, at the end of the video, help me complete a sentence about London. Are you ready? London is the capital of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Well, now it's time for a quiz. What countries does the UK consist of? Where is the UK located? How can you get to Paris from London? Well, I hope you found the video informative, and from now on you will never confuse England with the UK. Sergey was with you during this video. Bye for now.
Я гадаю, що вам сподобалось дане відео, і давайте дамо відповіді на запропоновану невеличку вікторинку від Сергія. What countries does the United Kingdom consist of? They are England, Scotland, Wales and Northern Ireland. Where is the United Kingdom located? The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is situated on islands. How can you get to Paris from London? Як дістатися до Парижу з Лондона? Якщо ви побачили відео, там є тунель під водою, протяжність якого 38 км, і всі дістаються по цій тунелі. And now let's refresh your memory and remember some fact about the United Kingdom. Choose the right answer to complete the sentences. Давайте ще раз пригадаємо за невеличкими запитаннями про основні факти Об'єднаного Королівства. The official name of the country is. And now choose the right variant. The right answer is the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The next question. There are 4 parts of the United Kingdom and 3 parts of the Great Britain. Third question. Paris, London, New York. London is the capital of Great Britain and London is the capital of England. London stands on the river Mississippi, Thames, Murray. On the river Thames. What are the 4 parts of the country? Look through the variant. And the right answer is England, Scotland, Wales, Northern Ireland. The head of the United Kingdom is the President, the Queen, the King. The right answer, the Queen. Королева Єлизавета й досі править. So, what is the United Kingdom? To give it its full title, it's the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. Як ви вже добре знаєте, що назва повна офіційна – це Об'єднане Королівство Великобританії та Північної Ірландії. You might hear it referred to as Britain, Great Britain, or more often simply as the UK. 4 countries make up the United Kingdom. England, look at the map, Wales, Scotland, and Northern Ireland. It consists of a group of islands, 2 large islands, and several hundred smaller ones. Read this text attentively, then we try to answer the question. By far the largest island is that which is divided into 3 countries, England, Wales, and Scotland. This island is about 700 miles long and is 300 miles at its widest point. At its nearest point, only the 22 miles of the English Channel separated from the coast of France. England's capital, London, is also the capital city of the United Kingdom. Most of England consists of lowland and some mountainous terrain northwest of a line drawn between the Humber Estuary in the east and the River Exe in the southwest. Wales, with its capital Cardiff, lies to the west, having a coastline adjacent to the Irish Sea. It is more mountainous than England's, particularly in North and Mid Wales. The north is Scotland, which consists of 2 very distinct regions known as the Highlands and Lowlands. Пригадайте вірш Роберта Бюрца «My heart in the Highlands», «Моє серце в горах Highlands», один із регіонів Шотландії. The Highlands region is to the north and west of the country and is much more mountainous than its lowland sister. The rugged terrain of the Highlands ensures the region is sparsely populated. The lowlands region is home to most of Scotland's population. It's here where Scotland's capital, Edinburgh, and the largest city of Glasgow will be found. Crossing the Irish Sea takes us to Ireland, of which only the northeastern corner, Northern Ireland, is part of the United Kingdom. The rest of this island is a separate country, the Republic of Ireland. Northern Ireland, with its capital Belfast, is a hilly region boasting the largest inland body of water in the United Kingdom, Lough Neagh at 150 square kilometers. The prevailing winds tend to come from the southwest, bringing with them frequent spells of mild but wet weather from the Atlantic Ocean. Overall, though, the climate is fairly temperate and similar to much of northern Europe. And now, task 1. Read the question and select the right answer. Look through these questions, please. If you read the text attentively, you will answer the question rightly. The first, the United Kingdom contains сотні тисяч. The right variant is B. Hundreds of small islands. Включає сотні маленьких островів. England consists mainly of low land with a few mountains. The Highlands of Scotland have right variant A. Few people and many mountains. Most people in Scotland live in the Highlands, in the Lowlands, це два такі райони, in the mountains, and the right variant C, in the lowlands. The Atlantic Ocean brings lots of холодну вітряну погоду, холодну і мокру погоду. The right variant is B, wet, but not too cold weather. Task 2. Match the numbers in the box to make facts about the United Kingdom. Так, робота з числами, пригадуйте тексти. The number of miles that separate the largest island from France is 22. The length in miles of the largest of the United Kingdom islands, всього протяжність, is 700. The number of distinct regions in Scotland is 2. The size in square miles of the largest inland body of water is 150. The maximum winds in miles of the largest islands in the United Kingdom is 300. The number of countries that make up the United Kingdom, it's an easy question, yes, is 4. Now please open your books on page 113. Підручнички, будь ласка, відкрийте свої на 213 сторінці. And task 3. Look at the map and complete the sentences. If you want to read Great Britain, you have to cross the... Пригадуйте, якщо ми хочемо дістатися Великобританії, ми повинні що? Перейти через Північне море та English Channel, Ла-Манш. You have to cross the North Sea and English Channel. The United Kingdom in the northwest of Europe. Word combination. Яке словосполучення повинно бути? Об'єднане Королівство в північному заході Європи. is situated, розташоване. The United Kingdom in the northwest of Europe. The British Isles is the name for the collection of about 200 small islands. Northern Ireland is from the Great Britain by the Irish Sea. Північна Ірландія від Великобританії морем. Слово вставляється separated. Scotland, я думаю, тут легко, is the northern part of Great Britain. And the last, the Gulf. Відома тепла течія Gulf Stream. Gulf Stream keeps the weather warm in Scotland, so the temperature is sometimes only a few degrees below, нижче нуля, zero. Now, please, case. Будь ласка, перевірте, чи ці слова ви вставили, щоб доповнити речення. North Sea in English Channel is situated. Small islands separated is stream zero. And then we worked with exercise 2b on page 212. Ваш підручник, вправа 2b. Read the article and pay attention to the meanings of the words in bold. І давайте в вашому підручнику проглянемо ці виділені слова. Islands – острови. Northern Ireland – Північна Ірландія. Consist – складається. England, Scotland, Wales – Англія, Шотландія, Вельс. Surrounded – бо початкова форма to surround – оточений. Separated – to separate – відділяється. Thames River – річка Темза. Ben Nevis – гора Бен Невіс, найвища гора Великобританії. Loch Lomond – назва озера. Gulf Stream – тепла течія Gulf Stream. And now, please, read this text together. І давайте прочитаємо текст про географічне положення ще раз та клімат Великобританії разом. The United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland is situated on islands. Northern Ireland occupies the northern part of Ireland. It is situated on the separate island. Great Britain consists of 3 parts. Their names are England, Scotland, and Wales. Scotland is situated in the north of Great Britain, Wales in the southwest, and England in the southeast. Great Britain is surrounded by seas on all sides and is separated from the continent by the North Sea and the English Channel. The rivers in Great Britain are not long, but many of them are deep. The capital of Great Britain, London, is situated on the Thames River. There are many mountains in the north of England and in Scotland, but they are not very high. The highest mountain in Great Britain is Ben Nevis. There are many lakes in Scotland. The most beautiful is Loch Lomond. There are many countries which are connected with Great Britain by sea. Thanks to the Gulf Stream, the climate of Great Britain is mild. The weather is often foggy and rainy. Summer is not very hot and winter is not very cold. Winter temperature seldom falls below 0. Я гадаю, текст не важкий, повністю зрозумілий. Навіть нові слова, які зустрічаються, separate, consist, вам вже вони досить відомі. Now, please look at the map once more. The United Kingdom, 4 parts, and Great Britain, 3 parts. And do task 4. Open your books on page 3, exercise 3, page 214. Ask and answer the following question. What is an island? Що таке острів, да? An island is a piece of subcontinental land that is surrounded by water. Is the United Kingdom situated on an island or a continent? The United Kingdom is situated on an island. What territory does Northern Ireland occupy? Northern Ireland occupies the northern part of Ireland. How many parts does Great Britain consist of? Great Britain consists of 3 parts. What are their names? Their names are England, Scotland, and Wales. Where are they situated? Scotland is situated in the north of Great Britain, Wales in southwest, and England in the southeast. What is Great Britain surrounded by? Чим оточена Велика Британія? Great Britain is surrounded by seas on all sides and is separated from the continent by the North Sea and the English Channel. What can you say about the rivers in Great Britain? The rivers in Great Britain are not long, but many of them are deep. Вони не довгі, але більшість з них глибокі. Where is the mountain situated? The mountain is situated in the north of England and Scotland. What do you know about London? London is the capital of Great Britain and it is situated on the River Thames. What do we say about the climate of a country where winters are not very cold and summers are not very hot? A climate of a country where winters are not very cold and summers are not very hot is mild. Why would you say that Great Britain has a very good geographical position? Great Britain has a very good geographical position because it is an island. Which countries are separated with Great Britain by sea? Many countries are connected with Great Britain by seas. What makes the climate of Great Britain mild? Gulf Stream makes the climate of Great Britain mild. And the last question, what can you say about the climate of Great Britain? The climate of Great Britain is mild. Шановні учні 8 класу, я вам дякую за увагу. І хочу нагадати вам, що ви готуєте усні розповіді про столицю Англії Лондон, про географічне положення та клімат Об'єднаного Королівства Великої Британії та Північної Ірландії. Ви повинні знати всі географічні назви, які зустрічалися в сьогоднішньому уроці, а також вивчити на пам'ять слова на сторінці 213 Vocabulary Box. Наступного разу ми розглянемо з вами географічне положення та клімат нашої країни – України. Goodbye!